Hello guys, nice to meet you. My name is Muhammad Fras Lubis, but you can call me Fras. Here, I want to introduce you with Scratch. Okay, come on, let's go. Do you know that Scratch is a high-level block-based visual programming language? Users of the site can create projects on the web using a block-like interface. The website lets users mix together different media, including graphics, sound, and other programs in creative ways by creating and organizing projects like video games, animations, and simulations. And this is the screen of Scratch in MIT website. The website is targeted primarily at children 8 to 16 years old as an educational tool for coding. The service is developed by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology Media Lab, has been translated into over 70 languages, and is used in most parts of the world. Scratch is taught and used in after-school centers, schools, and colleges, as well as other public knowledge institutions. As of May 2021, community statistics on the languages official website show more than 79 million projects shared by over 72 million users and almost 38 million monthly website visits. Scratch takes its name from a technique used by disc jockeys called scratching, where vinyl chords are clipped together and manipulated on a turntable to produce different sound effects and music. Next, in implementation language in Scratch. A programming language implementation is a system for executing computer programs. And there are three implementation languages in Scratch. The first one is Quick for Scratch 0.x and 1.x. It has launched in 2003. The second is ActionScript for Scratch 2.0. It has launched in 2013. The third is JavaScript for Scratch 3.0. It has launched in 2019. You know that Squid is an object-oriented, class-based, and reflective programming language. ActionScript was used primarily for the development of websites and software targeting the Adobe Flash Player platform used on web pages in the form of embedded SWF files. JavaScript is a lightweight, interpreted, or just-in-time compiled programming language with first-class functions. Next page is the feature of Scratch. There are 9. The feature of Scratch, and the feature name is blocks. Blocks are puzzle piece shapes that are used to create code in Scratch. The blocks connect to each other vertically like a jigsaw puzzle, where each data type has its own shape and a special shape slot for it to be inserted into, which prevents syntax errors. And here, the demo video. So I want to show you a demo video for Scratch. The video is a conversation between D and AB, who are school students. AB is in trouble because of difficulties in learning programming languages. Later, D offered AB a good tutor he knew.
Hello.
Hey,
Nice to meet you, Abi.
nice to meet you too, G.
What are you doing
I
here?
have an exam on Python programming, but I'm confused what topic to start with.
I know a tutor who is experienced in this field.
Thanks for the recommendation.
Come on, let's go there. We are in Muhammad Prastalubi's tutor. He has 5 years of experience in teaching. He is also able to teach Python, HTML, Pascal, etc.
So, what are you waiting for?
Guaranteed you will have qualified skills in the field of coding.
Wow, thank you so much, G.
Now, let me tell you how it works. So, I divide them into main parts, subparts, and detail parts. You can see there are 2 characters and 1 background. So, this is D as main part, and here is AB as a main part, and here a school as a main part too. So there are 3 main parts. First I will explain the subparts in D. Here there are 3 subparts for this on screen character text display, this voice and this cursor position from the beginning of the video to the end of the video. For the position of the cursor, put this block of the events code as the first order, followed by choosing the appearance of the that we have previously set on the costumes that I've chosen as many as 3 costumes for the entire video. And this is how to set up the costumes. You can configure these costumes here. Then we get back to main topic. Set this standing position as seen at the coordinate points here, x and y, and enter the coordinates in the block. This block, go to x and y. Do the same for this composition distance. Wait block to place a time lag for changing positions and costumes. For this voice, we chose only this block. Previously put this block of events code as the first array. You know that sounds can be set in the sound menu. There are sound options, which consists of choosing a template that is already available here, recording a sound here, downloading a file here, and can add the surprise effect. Enter the name of the specific sound file that we want in this section, and wait block to place a pause in the sound change. For the display of text on the screen, we only select this block by writing the word according to what we want. Previously put this block of events code as the first array. Wait block to place a pause in the sound change. The steps in D will be the same as for AB. The steps for the backdrop, we just select this block and choose the background we want. Don't forget to put a pause time for the display between one background and another. This is all from me about Scratch, guys. If you have any questions about Scratch, don't hesitate to ask questions via this email. Thank you very much for your attention. See you!